Hi, my name is Shirley Midlane. I've worked in RS for the past 25 years, had many jobs in RS. First one being working in customer liaison in London. We moved from London up to Corby, and from there I went to the stores to work for a few years. From the stores I then had a job in the customer contact centre, again a few years in the contact centre. I then went from there to the accounts payable department. From accounts payable I then moved on to the receipts planning, which I'm doing just now. And just recently I've been offered a new role in credit control, which is an absolutely fantastic offer, and I'm very pleased with that.
I've worked at RS now for nearly 12 years, and in that time I've held a variety of different positions. In addition, RS has supported me in obtaining my degree in business studies. Therefore, I'd have no hesitation in recommending RS as an employer to my friends and my family. In fact, that's exactly what I did with my brother Liam. He was coming to the end of his degree in biochemistry from Nottingham University. He'd been looking for a position in the local newspapers but had been unsuccessful up until now. And I found a job specification on the board for a position within NPP. I showed this to Liam and he was very interested, as it really played to some of his key skills in terms of analysing data, etc. So he applied for the position and was successful, and he's now been working at RS for 5 months and he's really enjoyed the job.
My name's Emma Lowry and I worked for RS for just over a year. I was successful in gaining this post after I put my CV on monster.co.uk. I was ready for a new challenge and I wanted to see what opportunities were out there. Initially I was approached by a lot of agencies, but I wasn't very impressed with them as they seemed to have little interest in my skills or the jobs they're putting in front of me. They generally had things like online, e-commerce, website in the job title. They included some jobs that were even for the company that I already worked for. RS were different. I'd had to be honest, I didn't hear of RS before this point, but their HR department called me directly. Initial conversation we had were very in-depth about the skills that I had in my previous roles and also the job that was being offered. I also then had a call with the team manager and they also arranged interviews following that. The interest they showed me as a potential employee and the professionals of the HR department gave me a good indicator of the type of employee that RS would be, and when offered the job I was very happy to accept the role.